Hi, I'm Shirish, and today I'm going to talk on a very interesting topic, happiness. Happiness is something which makes our life memorable and worth living. But what is that gives us happiness? Today we are very much engulfed into all these activities of day to day routine and other priorities of life that sometimes we just forget to be happy. We are just running behind something which is important, but not something which gives us pleasure. So let us find out what can give us pleasure. The very important thing in your life is having some work, some task, some hobby that gives you pleasure. So just turn back and see what is that you love to do. What are the hobbies that you enjoy? Did you enjoy reading? Did you enjoy playing sports? Did you enjoy watching movies? Did you enjoy cooking? Whatever that you really loved and enjoy doing it. So just grab an opportunity to do it once again. Give yourself some time, maybe once in a week to try with, and then you can try accordingly twice in a week, thrice in a week. Just go for it and get the pleasure again of doing this, the activity that you love. Second is taking out some time for yourself. We all are very busy running behind the things, jobs, and other priorities of life, children, family, and taking care of everybody. But along with all this, do you have some me time that you give to yourself? Probably once in a day, do you sit calmly and think what you would like to do, where you would like to be, what you would like to be like? So give yourself some time, do some brainstorming on this, that what is that you are missing, what you want to do. Okay. Third is physical fitness. Physical fitness is one of the very important keys of making yourself happy. When you are physically fit, you actually feel that happy hormones flowing all through your body, and you will really be a happy person on the earth. But for that you will have to work out. Now today we have lots of options of working out. We have exercise, we have aerobics, we have Zumba, we have dance, we have cycling, we have swimming, we have walking, we have jogging, so many things around. And to it we also have added now yoga and meditation, which gives you mental health and peace. So why not go for it? Grab out some time for your 24-hour schedule and start doing it, which will make you physically good, energetic and fit, so that you go and grab the positive vibes around and be happy. Okay. Now for meditation, let us divide people into introvert and extrovert people. Now I, being an extrovert person, meditation is a big task for me. It takes times for me to go meditate and sit quietly, but for me meditation is equal to something I like to speak out. So for me it is equal. When I talk to someone, when I discuss with somebody, when I vomit all my thoughts out, I actually feel good. So that is the difference between introvert and extrovert person. Introvert person, yes, it is possible for them to sit quiet and meditate and get that positive energy. But for a person who is extrovert, who likes to talk, yes, talking is very important. In that case, please go to people who you always share your things, you always love to talk. Maybe your mother, maybe your parents, sister, brother, siblings, your friend, husband, anyone you always like to talk and always be comfortable sharing things. There may be nothing to really share out of things, but yes, you would definitely love to share the day-to-day happening. Just talking to them, saying hi, hello would bring happiness to you. Now start your day with a positive routine, start your day with a positive thought, so that plan your day so that you have a sorted day and you can find out a time for yourself to meditate, to think, to walk, or just have a me time, relaxing and just looking back and finding out what you would like to do that would give you happiness. Okay, then do not depend on any event or anything that would happen around that will bring you happiness. Do not wait for the happiness to come to you. Just go and grab the opportunity of being happy. Like it happens in the parties that we always sit, we have fun, somebody's dancing and we're just sitting and looking at the person, waiting for someone to call us to come and dance. Why wait? If you want to dance, just go and dance. That will give you happiness, that will make you enjoy that moment. Okay, so grab the opportunities as you see them around. Making yourself happy is an art again. and you will have to learn from your day-to-day activities, day-to-day things, that what are the things that you like to do, what are the things that would like to make you happy. Okay, some people, they have a habit of thinking and thinking and thinking for no reason. That is just a habit of thinking. Now if you're worrying about something, if your worrying is going to help, that's okay, but if your worrying is not going to help, then why worry? So let us not worry, let us just go and do some acts and find out happiness in that. No matter if you are failing in that activity, try it again, and someday you will succeed. Someday you will at least feel happy about it, that yes, you have tried for it and now you know what you have to do. Some people are worried about that, yes, they do not know what they are supposed to do. So try and understand the meaning in a different way. You do not know what you are supposed to do means you have many options of doing different things. So go and try, explore things around, try. There are many things that you can do, many things you can do in your day-to-day activities, many things you can just try it, so that you understand what is your interest and what is that will make you happy. So what we have seen is, first is physical fitness, then giving yourself me time, grabbing up on your hobbies again, that will give you happiness, taking out some time which would actually help you to relate on what is that you would like to do. And do not wait for happiness, go and grab it as an opportunity and try and make yourself happy. All the best.